Which car windshield sunshade actually works? Simple question, but the answer isn't so straightforward. They all look the same, make the same promises, and cost anywhere from $12 to $40. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you exactly which ones deliver and which ones fall short. Product number 1, Eco-Nur Universal Sunshade. First up is the Eco-Nur Car Windshield Sunshade, a solid no-frills option at just $12.83. It's made from 240T polyester with a silver coating and comes in a medium size that fits most sedans, SUVs, and small trucks. What caught my eye was the reinforced overlapping design that extends up to 8 inches, helping it stay snug without slipping. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It blocks 99% of UV rays and significantly reduces cabin heat, which means your steering wheel won't burn your hands and your dashboard won't crack over time. The 240T material is thicker than cheaper alternatives, so it holds up better under intense sun. Plus, it folds down small and comes with a storage pouch, perfect for tossing in your trunk or back seat. Over 3,000 people bought this last month, and while there aren't reviews yet, the specs line up with what real users need. Now, some people complained about the fit being slightly loose on larger windshields. Here's the thing though, if you're driving a compact or mid-size vehicle, this design actually works better because it's flexible. But if you've got a full-size truck or van, you might want to go bigger. Still, for the price and coverage, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you drive a sedan or small SUV and want dependable sun protection on a budget. Skip this one if you have a large windshield and need maximum coverage. At under $13, it's an easy win for everyday use. Product number 2, Ezzy Shade Shield X Duo. Alright, that was a solid budget pick. But if you're willing to spend a bit more for smarter design, meet the Ezzy Shade with Shield X reflective technology at $19.25. Instead of one big panel, it uses 2 identical foldable shades you can position vertically or horizontally for a custom fit. That adaptability is a game changer for oddly shaped windshields. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Their Shield X tech reflects up to 15% more heat than standard reflective shades, meaning your car interior stays noticeably cooler. The dual-panel system lets you cover gaps traditional shades miss, especially around the rearview mirror or side edges. Installation takes seconds, and it folds down neatly with 2 different folding methods, one of which they even guarantee. Plus, you get a free non-slip dashboard mat, which is a nice bonus for holding your phone or keys. Now, some people complain the 2-piece design feels flimsy compared to a single solid shade. Here's the thing though, yes, it's not as rigid, but that flexibility is exactly what makes it fit so well. If you've ever struggled with a stiff shade that won't lay flat, this solves that problem. Just don't expect military-grade sturdiness. This is perfect for you if you drive a vehicle with a tricky windshield shape or want maximum adaptability. Skip this one if you prefer a single-piece shade for simplicity. At just under $20, it's a smart upgrade for anyone serious about comfort. Product number 3, Magnilex No Light Pass Shade. Now, if Ezzy Shade's 2-piece setup felt too complicated, the Magnilex offers a clean, dual-shade solution with its No Light Pass technology at $18.48. It comes in a large size, 63 x 33.8 inches, and includes a bonus steering wheel cover, something most brands don't offer. The silver-black reflective surface looks sleek and feels premium. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 240T reflective polyester doesn't just block light, it actively prevents heat buildup by reflecting it away before it penetrates the glass. That means faster cooldown when you return to your car. The included steering wheel shade is a small but thoughtful touch, since that's often the first thing that burns your hands. Plus, the storage bag makes it easy to stash when not in use. Over 1,000 sold last month shows people are noticing the value. Now, some people complain the material wrinkles easily when folded. Here's the thing though, that's common with high reflectivity fabrics and it doesn't affect performance. Just smooth it out when you unfold it. Also, while it fits most SUVs and trucks, double-check your windshield size. Going too big can cause bunching. This is perfect for you if you drive a larger vehicle and want added protection for your steering wheel. Skip this one if you're tight on storage space or hate dealing with wrinkles. For under $19, it's a well-rounded package. Product number 4, Moist Sun Shade Umbrella. Alright, that was a traditional foldable shade. But what if I told you there's a completely different approach? The Moist Sun Shade Umbrella at $41.08 looks like, you guessed it, an umbrella for your windshield. It uses a spring-loaded frame and vinyl-coated fabric with ice crystal cooling material that supposedly keeps interiors around 90 degrees F. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Instead of wrestling with a floppy panel, you just open it like an umbrella, place it against the windshield, and done. No clips, no folding tricks. The spring structure at the edges adds durability, and the military-grade materials resist tearing. It's also surprisingly compact when collapsed, fitting under a seat or in a door pocket. Designed to fit 99% of vehicles, it's one of the most user-friendly options out there. Now, some people complained it doesn't seal tightly around the edges, letting in some light. Here's the thing though, no sunshade blocks 100% of light, and this one still reduces heat dramatically. The trade-off is speed and ease of use. Also, at over $40, it's definitely a premium pick. This is perfect for you if you hate fumbling with traditional shades or have limited mobility. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or drive a truck. They don't offer a truck size. If convenience is your top priority, this is worth the splurge. Product number 5, Eco-Nur Foldable Reflective Shade. Finally, we loop back to Eco-Nur, but this model is different. At just $11.54, this foldable windshield sun shade is nearly identical to the first one, but with a simpler silver design and slightly thinner profile. It's still 240T polyester, still blocks 99% of UV rays, and still folds into a pouch. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It does the same job as pricier shades, cooling your car, protecting your interior, but costs less than a coffee. The overlapping design helps it stay put, and it's lightweight enough to carry in a backpack or glove box. Perfect for renters, students, or anyone who needs a backup shade. Over 1,000 sold last month proves it's popular for a reason. Now, some people complained it feels less durable than heavier shades. Here's the thing though, for daily city driving or short parking sessions, it's more than enough. But if you leave your car in direct sun for 8+ hours regularly, consider upgrading to something thicker. This is perfect for you if you want basic, effective sun protection on a tight budget. Skip this one if you need long-term durability or drive a large vehicle. At under $12, it's a no-brainer for casual use. So which one should you buy? If you're on a budget, the Eco-Nur at $11.54 gets the job done. Need a better fit? Ezzy Shade's 2-panel system adapts to almost any windshield. Want extra protection? Magnalex includes a steering wheel cover. Hate folding shades? The Moist umbrella style is revolutionary if you can afford it. And if you just want reliable coverage without fuss, the original Eco-Nur at $12.83 is still a great choice. Whatever your need, one of these will keep your car cooler this summer.